Now that we've built out this pinned content component, which will be displayed whenever we click on a given pin, we want to create an area first to allow users to create comments, and then an area which will display those created comments underneath. So let's head back to our pinned content component and bring in two more components, and these will be from the comment folder, create comment and comments. So we'll import create comment from /comment/create comment and comments from /comment/comments. So we'll head down to the bottom of pinned content and create an area before the closing tag of our div for pin comments, where first we will display our create comment component and then underneath the comments component. And to comments, we're going to provide a prop where we'll pass through our comments array coming from current pin. So now that we have these two components added, let's begin building both of them out, starting with create comment. So we'll go to the comments folder and then create comment. And we'll first uncomment all of the material UI components and replace the starting div with a set of fragments. And within this fragment, we'll first return a form where users can provide and submit their comment. This will have the class name of classes.form. Then we'll include an icon button, and within it will be an icon, the clear icon. For the icon button, we'll give it a class name of classes.clearButton. Then underneath the icon button, we'll have an input, and the component for it will be input base, just as one tag, where we'll set multi-line to true. The class name will be classes.input. The placeholder will be add comment. And then to the right hand side of this input base, we'll have another icon button, this time with the class name classes.sendButton with a send icon in between its tags. And finally, to separate the form from the displayed messages, we'll add, before the closing fragment tag, this divider component. And now, even though we don't have any comments for any of our pins, let's go to the comments component and build that out as well. So we'll uncomment all of the material components. And remember that we're passing down comments as a prop from our pinned content down to comments, and we name that prop comments. So we'll destructure that from the props object, and from this component we will return first a list component with the class name classes.root. Then we'll iterate over our comments with comments.map. And from map, we'll grab both the comment element as well as the index of the comment. And we'll return, first of all, a list item, which will have a key prop set to the index. And align items will be set to flex start. Then to show the comment author's picture, we'll add a list item avatar with an avatar component between the tags, where the source will come from comment.author.picture, and the alt text will be comment.author.name. Then underneath the list item avatar, we'll have a list item text component to display the comment text content, where the primary text will be set to comment.text, and the secondary will have a few things within it, so we'll add a set of fragments, and between those fragments first add a typography component, or actually we can remove the fragments and just have the typography component, where its class name will be classes.inline, the component will be span, and the color text primary. And then the text itself will come from comment.author.name. Now let's save both of these components, and we'll check out the result in the browser. So when we select a pin, we can see now that there's an area underneath for other users to add comments, and when some comments are added, they'll be displayed directly underneath this input.